the next one. This time we won't splash on the slide, we might splash on something else. How about that?
Why are we going to do that? We're not just going to keep going. Let's go get bored.
Let's actually like splash it on like no.
Cars.
Okay, let's do that. Try not to get busted though. Oh wow. Should I hope to close the tap? Sure.
Wait. Okay, yeah. Oh, good. I got it.
Lots of bubbles inside. Go through the front, go through the front, go through the front. Let's go to...
My car.
Is that your car?
No.
Go to your... Could you splash like your car or something? Just so we won't get busted that much. Just so we're playing with water balloons and we splash your car. See how you're coping.
Okay.
This blue car yours?
Mm-hmm.
Quick scan of the car.
Where do we splash it? What do you want me to splash it?
On the wheels maybe, just so you won't get too much. I may actually, sorry for the guys, but I'll blur like the plate of the car.
Okay.
The car plate. Let's do the front wheel. Car wash.
Oh, let's wash some bird poo off.
How are you exactly going to dry that?
Who cares? We're washing bird poo off before it dries out. It's free service.
Okay, watch me splash next.
Car.
Another car?
No, stand outside. The next time that passes.
No, actually no, splash the mailbox.
Yeah.
Back at the start.
Okay.
That's what
No,
we're going to
make
do.
sure there's no mail.
It's like we splash the mail, it's like, uh-oh.
If there is mail, we'll splash something else like, anyway.
Well, I don't think there will be actually much mail, because it's like,
Church.
yeah, it's like a church.
It's not like it is.
Oh, yeah. I just figured out. I didn't actually say this was a church in like since all the other episodes I made. If you guys don't believe us, this is a church. Look at the place. Does this look like a church to you?
Look at the cross.
Probably not.
Look at the cross.
But it's a church-ish. If you still don't believe me, that proves to you it's a church. It says Jesus. It says Jesus said, "I am the way to death." He's doing another one.